Hello everyone, welcome back. This is probably like the third video I'm filming, but I just got a few packages from the mail, and so I thought I'd open it on camera and have another video to upload. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one is this big package. Well, not that big, but the biggest out of all of them. And it contains the brushes that I got ordered from Designer Makeup Tools. Really exciting, makeup related. I don't normally get makeup anymore, so I'm quite excited. I don't get new ones anymore, like I don't really need to. I remember when I was so obsessed with just buying things and not using them, but I just have too much, like I won't finish them until I die. So here it is. So all of them except for one is blending brushes. I'm obsessed with blending brushes. I like to blend and put eyeshadow on my crease. Don't we all do? All of them are different sizes. Let's have a look. I really like the white ones. I don't know, I find them really pretty. So the first one is the black one. It's the small tapered crease brush. So it's not that fluffy. It is actually really tapered and quite firm. So this will focus the color on the crease really well, but at the same time blend them out compared to like the pencil brush. Next is from the same line, I think, because they have the same handle. So this is a quite similar but a little bit more like less dense. Yeah, less dense, but much denser than my normal blending brush. Oh, unboxing. Yeah. Yeah, we'll watch it later. Okay, close the door.
I like the makeup tutorial thing.
Whatever. Okay. So I think this will pack in the color, but also blend it out at the same time. So next is similar to my blending brush. Very similar. I think just a much shorter handle. Yeah, really similar. Much softer compared to my the Belgium, the yellow one. I'm excited for this one. Oh, this one too. This one looks good. Let's have a look. Yep, I'm more excited for this one. So it has a much longer handle, which I like. And then that's much more fluffy as well. So what I was saying is that these two are my favorites out of all the blending brushes. If I could return it, I would return this. But I don't think it's worth returning it anymore. I mean, I do like this one. This is just like doesn't make sense. It's flat and like fluffy at the same time. I don't know. I mean, I can still use it as like an extra. I can't believe I like this the first time. So yeah, but these two are like amazing. They're incredible. They look kind of similar from like afar, but this one's much more fluffy. And this one is like the dense one. But still really, really fluffy. These will blend the shadows flawlessly. I mean, this one I could still use. I could use this one as well. Just a much more soft, fluffier version of this black one. And this one I could use as like an extra blending brush, like my Belgium one. Much more fluffy. Still usable. Still works as well, I think. So next, I opened this already, but my phone ran out of storage, so I'm filming it again. But it's this green necklace, like choker. So it goes around like this. Purchased this one from AliExpress. I'm obsessed with AliExpress. They have really cool stuff. Really, really cheap too. And I think all of this from now on are from AliExpress. So I purchased this to go with a jumpsuit that I got. It's like an army green jumpsuit. I couldn't find a necklace to match it, but this will do. So it goes like that, and then you like piece it together, I think. Yeah. That actually looks really cute. It goes like that. Yeah, no, that's really cute. Really worth it. I can't wait to wear it. So I opened this one, and I already have this. I don't know if I purchased two or they sent me like a second one. I don't need two, so I think I'll just give this away to a friend or something, or donate it. It's a first aid kit. It's really tiny, but it'll work with bandages and antiseptic. And it's pink. It's really cute. And then he has a red love heart with like a cross in the middle. And first aid cross. So maybe I'll find something for it. So next is a bracelet. So this is a religious bracelet. So it has Christian figures. So saints, Jesus, Mary, the cross. This one's kind of broken though. Like that one doesn't have that glass thing in the middle of it. That's okay. I have like a red one, so I wanted like a brown one or something else, something neutral, something I can wear every day. So that's really cute, really comfortable too. It's not one of those bracelets that's like pulls your hair. And I like don't even feel it. Not like bangles, it doesn't make any noise, so yeah, I like that. So next is the One Touch marker, also from AliExpress. So like I said, I like to draw, and I used to use color pencil, but they just don't give like a vibrant color. So I started using crayons, which I still like, but there's this girl on Instagram that uses these to like draw, and it turns out really good. I'm not trying to be like her. It's not gonna turn out anywhere close to her drawings. She draws like celebrities in like a really nice like cartoon kind of style, and it's so good. It looks like them. I might link her down below if I can find her. I've followed her on Instagram, so I should be able to. Yeah, this produces really good drawings, so I'm gonna give them a go. I've got brown, so it has, is that brown? Yeah, looks like black, but it's brown. So there's that like a fine tip, and then a bigger one to color in. A green one. Orange. Sometimes they, like in the photos, it's weird. Oh, this one's leaking. Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, it's leaking. It's weird. Anyway, sometimes in the website they look like a certain color, but then when they get to you, they're not the right color. Like they look darker or lighter. Like I think this one I ordered a red, and then it looks like an orange. Like in the photo it was a red color. This one's aqua. Pink, bright pink. And then we've got the classic black to like line my drawings. And then purple. And then light pink, and then dark green, and then this is red. I think this is like their tourist red. But yeah, I can't wait to get more. I think they're gonna be really cool. Anything else? No, I've opened everything. That's everything. Thank you for watching again, and I really do appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.